good, YouTube? This your boy J Diggy 92. So y'all can see, got another box with me right here. So of course we got another unboxing. If my energy ain't through the roof, I apologize. Kinda just found out some shit. I'm not really hyped about the shit, and yeah, it's just fucking with me. So my energy levels ain't over 9,000. I'm sorry, but there ain't no excuse for not putting out content. So we got a box right here. I don't know if you guys watched, I think my like top 5 summer essentials vid. I think is what I call it. I don't remember. I'm kind of fucked up right now, but yeah, I don't know if y'all watched that shit. If you haven't, go watch it and then come back so I can get double views. But nah, yeah, if you watch that, I said I was gonna be doing an unboxing. So today we got an unboxing. Special thanks to fucking Sneaker Steals. Nigga, if you aren't following Sneaker Steals real shit, you really playing yourself out of some good steals and deals. So we gonna go ahead and get straight into this. This is my first pair of these ever. I have like, I think I have this model, but it's not like this exact model. Like, it's different variations. I have one variation of it, and then this is like another one. So special shouts out, bro. I ain't gonna fake stupid dumb shout out to Sneaker Steals for this one, bro, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have these. So put that box right there. As you can see right here, we got an Adidas box. This box kind of small as shit, but shout out to Adidas. I ain't never seen this box before, so this is a first for the channel. And today we got the Cordae Super. Now, like I said, I don't know how these gonna look or what, but hey man, hopefully they fire. I like the way they looked, but we can go ahead and get this. Paper is dope. Shit. Let's see. Oh, this suede is stupid. Oh shit, this junk dumb. Damn, these shits go hard. They high key look like Pumas though, but damn, they got the damn. These junks go hard. I ain't gonna hold you. At first I was like iffy, because I was like, man, I don't know if I'm gonna fuck with them. Like, I ain't never heard of this model, and whoopie whoop, blah blah blah. But the more I look at these, the more I like these jumps. This ain't gonna be the official review. Y'all know how I do it, where I pretty much just do a raw unboxing and tell my thoughts on the shoe. But yeah, man, hopefully these jumps fit, because they looking long as shit. But I mean, I got some long ass feet, so yeah, I'll tell y'all the fitting in the of course the official review. But just looking at these jumps, the materials are stupid. So what these are the Adidas Cordae Super. I think that's the right name for it. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all all the official facts. I'm gonna make this a legit vid. Fuck it, nigga. I hope y'all don't mind that I'm making this shit legit and actually giving y'all correct names. So these are, if I could fucking find this shit, I screenshot it. Okay, these are called the Adidas Cordae Super Shoe, and this is the green colorway. But when I say shout out to Sneaker Steals, shout out to fucking Sneaker Steals. I don't know how many of y'all gonna watch this, and I usually don't say it in this vid, the unboxing vid, but bro, I got these shits for around $35, and they retail at $75. Like, bro, Sneaker Steals, they be on it. Now the code to cop these for $35, it's been over. So if you missed out, you missed out, and I don't really have another code for you. But it was like some back to school junk, and I'm telling you, I took advantage of that shit. I seen a pair of Adidas for $30. I'd be dumb as hell not to cop. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna spend too much time, because like I said, it's just an unboxing. It's not the legit official review. But yeah, the Adidas Copa Super Shoe in green. This joint is fire. Just watch out for the official review. Y'all know that joint coming. It might not come this Saturday though. I should have put this out on Monday. It probably won't come this Saturday because I'm not gonna be here this Saturday. So I'll get it out to y'all probably the next Saturday when I come back. But yeah, I really love these joints, and the official review gonna be dope, especially with the on feet, because I definitely want to try these out on feet. But yeah, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I got some more vids to do before I call it a night. And yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we gonna do an OG with it. Join the motherfucking God Squad. You already know we gods in this bitch. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, all that good shit. You gonna follow me, anything you follow on Instagram, Twitter, Snaps, and Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shout out to the art page, Finesse God Masterpieces. Go copy y'all some dope art. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. Watch out for the on feet. Watch out for the official review. And then we got another clothing pickup I'm gonna do for y'all when I get back from vacation. So yeah, I got a lot of videos to do right now, and we're prepping for me to edit. But just know, y'all gonna get some bangers. And this vlog finna be epic, my nigga. Epicity, nigga. Epicity, nigga. Whatever words you wanna say, nigga. This shit finna be lit. But yeah, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.